Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of How Logical. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get logged into your Tinder account. Watch the video till the end to know how you can log into your Tinder account. Before moving on, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you will get notified for any of our new uploads. Now let's get into the video. Firstly, open up your Tinder application on your device. Once you open up your Tinder application, you will see three options on the screen. Choose one of the options. If you want to open your Tinder application with the help of Google, then tap on the very first button, that is Login with Google. And if you want to use your Facebook account, then tap on the second button which says Login with Facebook. But if you want to use your phone number for logging in, then tap on the last option that says Login with your phone number. Enter your phone number and then tap on Continue button. Once you tap on Continue button, it will send you a verification code on your device. Now, type in that code and click on Continue button once again. Once you're done, you'll be logged into your Tinder account. This is how you can log into your Tinder account quickly and easily. If you have any queries or thoughts, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.